Crash courses. Today's crash course is on Maglev trains. This one's in China.
They're the fastest trains in the world, sir.
You betcha they are. They're faster than a speeding bullet.
Not exactly, sir.
Faster than a rocket?
No, sir.
How about faster than a man strapped to a rocket in the name of science? Well, there's only one way to find out just how fast a Maglev train goes.
Here it comes.
I'm gonna go to China and buy a train ticket.
That's it?
Well, no. First we have to review today's fast facts. Fact number 1. Maglev trains can go faster than traditional trains, partly because they use magnets to float over the tracks. Fact 2. Some Maglevs use extra powerful superconducting magnets that are cooled to extremely low temperatures. And number 3. Even though Maglev trains were first thought of more than 100 years ago, only a few countries have them today.
Sir, riding a maglev train in China is a very responsible way to experience its speed.
And so it is. Now, if you'll excuse me. Sandra, here I am in China about to ride a Maglev train.
You should probably get on the train, sir. It's leaving soon.
I am on the train, Sandra. On top of it. Sweet macaroni, and we're moving. Sandra, the speed is really something. I am absolutely loving this Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.